Howdy folks, it's Handsome. Today we have a Sony ZV-1 vlogger style. Before we even get into this, hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate all the attention lately. It's flattering. Today we will be messing with, see if I can get y'all to see it. There's very small illumination. It's very faint. There's lines going all across. Was doing some research on Encompass for the part. Camera's only like what, $699, $700? It's crazy. This screen on Encompass is $90 for regular people, and if you have a dealer's license, it's cheaper. If you catch eBay before you know about Encompass, you can overpay. Somebody in California has it on there for like $130, $135, and they're just upselling it, getting it for dealer price, and just selling it on eBay to people that are unaware. If you don't know, you pay Mo. Is that a t-shirt or a commercial? Alright, cool. We are going to figure out what is going on with this LCD screen. Of course, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I have a junkyard. I had Billy fetch up a ZV-1 back cover assembly. Billy is just awesome. Let's go ahead and knock this tools of the day out. You got your curved tweezers, your straight tweezers. Then of course, got your cross point screwdrivers. Ain't seen the video, don't know what a cross point screwdriver is? Hit the link. I really need y'all to go ahead and comment. Give me some ideas for some cameras you want to see taken apart. Put the camera in the comments. Holla at your boy. I don't know if there's a DM on YouTube. Email me. You got my website on here. My phone number's on the website. Go on, hit me up. Alright, since we got tools of the day knocked out, we are going to... I really don't like that feature. Let's go ahead and take out the battery. First and foremost, hey, at least it's not a third-party battery, right? Got 'em, coach. Put that one right up yonder. Hopefully this will be quick and easy, so I'm not taking up all y'all's time. But the quick and easy ones aren't always quick and easy. We're gonna get these 4 screws off the back panel. Boom, shakalaka, shakalaka, shakalaka. It's okay though. We got these two. And it looks like this on the bottom plate, I missed one. You have 1, 2, and then 3. And we're gonna pop, lock, and drop it. Alright, so we're gonna turn you this way. And I do remember now that, what is this, flex cable guard? That was great. Got him. Now that that is out of the way, we're going to release the flex. Awesome possum. I do see a little bit of damage right there. That's about it. But what we're going to do, see if I can get it so y'all can see. Not putting the guard on because I would like to see What do you know? Look at that close up. Is macro? Bro, this macro? Alright. That wasn't too bad. Because I had the used part. If I didn't have a used part, I'd have to sit there and mess around with all that good stuff. I guess that's it. This shall go in the junkyard and in the archive of the ZV-1. Hopefully I don't see a lot of this camera, but I probably will because it is easily droppable. Thank y'all for your time. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. This was a quickie, and of course, y'all know the drill. Stay positive, stay focused. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no